everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be guiding you on how to delete Netflix trailer history. So without delaying any more further, let's get into the video. Here the first thing that I want you to do is go and open your Netflix, then tap on your profile. After that, tap on three horizontal like icon present on the top right of your screen and select account. Then scroll down and then tap on view, which is right beside the viewing activity. This view will show all of your Netflix views. Now tap on hide all and select yes, hide all my viewing activity. Doing this, you have successfully hidden all of your viewed movies and trailers in Netflix. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.